Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Moonology Messages Oracle. This is by Yasmin Boland with art by Ali Vermilio. This is a 48 card deck and guidebook published by Hay House, and thank you so much to Hay House for sending the Card Deck Club subscription box to me, because this is what came inside, and I am so excited because I absolutely love the original Moonology and the Moonology Manifestation Oracle, so I can't wait to get into this. This retails for $19.99 in the US and $25.99 in Canada. And in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this deck should you want to. Whilst you're there, I do have my link tree that will provide you all of my social media, as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings, and my Whatnot shop where I sell my handmade ritual items and crocheted goodies. So let's get into this. The ever-changing moon speaks to those of us who are listening, leaving clues, hints, and messages which come through as intuition. All we need to do is align with her phases and listen to her whispers. The Moonology Messages Oracle taps into the lunar wisdom via 48 moon symbols, helping you navigate toward positivity and peace. Be inspired to take action based on your inner knowing. Ask a question and receive an answer. The mystical moon is guiding you. All right. I love the packaging. It's so pretty. Aw, call on Goddess Saraswati to guide your intuition. Okay. And there's the bottom of the box. Ooh. All right, before we get into the cards, I just want to see the guidebook to see if there's any particular way we have to utilize this and what information we get. So we have a welcome. It's all about intuition, the spirit of the deck, and how these cards can help you. And then we also have how to use this deck. We've got one card draws and some more information. And then the interpretation of the cards. Awesome. And each card has a page number. I love that. Okay, here's some information. In my two previous decks, the Moonology Oracle and Moonology Manifestation Oracle, I adhered very strictly to the moon as we know it in astrological terms. This deck is a departure from that model. While the Moonology Oracle cards will give you clear answers to a question based on the moon phase or sign of the card that you draw, the Moonology Manifestation Oracle deck will help you with your manifesting. I feel this deck cuts straight to your intuition. This wasn't something I planned, it just worked out like that. The moon made me do it. So the spirit of this deck is all about intuition. It's about taking an idea and asking yourself as you read the interpretations to go within and intuit the message that is coming through to you. This deck is all about taking a moon symbol, which you'll find on every card, and asking it to speak to you intuitively so that you can more easily access your own amazing intuitive powers to understand what is going on around you and what you are creating. Oh, I love that. I hope these cards will help you to understand whatever it is your higher self or your intuition is trying to tell you. Awesome. Okay, and then it goes into the cards. So let's get into the flip through here. The back is gorgeous. That is so pretty. It is a matte. Oh, and it feels like her other cards do. Nice cardstock, going to be easy to shuffle, very flexible. It feels the exact, it's the same cardstock. Cool. Okay. Ooh, very cool art. So this is Blood Moon Courage. I'm going to read the titles just because I don't know if they will be able to be seen on the film very well. Cold Moon, Face Your Fears. This is beautiful. Dark Moon, The Past. Dark Side of the Moon, Mystery. That's so pretty. Day Moon, Love. Look at the cute little mushies. Oh, this is fun. Domicile moon, abundance. Drawing down the moon, knowledge. Exalted moon, self-regulation. The falling moon, release blocks. Follow the moon, watch for signs. Full moon, forgiveness. Healing moon, seek healing. This is gorgeous. Howl at the moon, process your feelings. Moonbeams, focus. Moon called, meant to be. Oh, that's so pretty. The colors, they're vibrant, but they're not something that's going to hurt your eyes. Moon circles, support. Oh, I love. Moon cycles, patience. Moon dance, celebration. Moonflower, take a risk. Moon goddess, higher power. Moon in detriment, cut your losses. Moonlight, enchanted. That's so pretty. Wonder if you could pick up the little stars. Moonlight serenade, change your tune. Moonlit, embrace uncertainty. Moon madness, avoid drama. Moon magic, transformation. Love that. Moon mastery, the law of attraction. Moon maybe, intuition. The past, moon memories. Moonrise, cleansing. Moonrising, truth. That is cool. Moonset, releasing. This is very vibrational. Moon shining, stay in integrity. Like it doesn't feel heavy, but it does feel very, I'm going to say reverent, if that is the right word. The moon's moment, synchronicity. Important. It feels like an important deck. The moon's reflection, accept responsibility. Moonstone, slow it down. I do feel like this is a deck that you sit with. Like, you don't just quickly pull a card and be like, okay, cool. It's something that like you meditate with, you sit with, you process. Moonstruck, take a breath. The moon's wisdom, take the lead. Ooh, cool. New moon, beginnings. Night moon, shadow work. The color combinations are so cool. Out of bounds moon, boundaries. Quicksilver moon, changes. Reach for the moon, go for it. Ring around the moon, protection. Oh, I love. Talk to the moon, communicate. Void moon, do nothing. Yang moon, strength. And yin moon, accept, help. Okay, let's see how it shuffles. Nice. Yeah, it shuffles like the other decks. Very happy with how it shuffles. It feels really good. And it feels good this way too. Let's get a card to read, please. Okay, we're going to read for the Void Moon. Do nothing. All right. As a very powerful being, you know that you're creating your reality with your thoughts and actions every day. Even so, drawing this card suggests that you need to do nothing for now. This is a time to tread water, so to speak. Allow at least 24 hours to pass before you take any further action. This isn't the time to set intentions, make wishes, or try to influence anyone. Now is the time to just be. Meditate, do yoga, take a walk in nature. There is a good chance that whatever you're worried about isn't going to manifest. It is said that whatever begins under the void of course moon bears no fruit. So drawing this card suggests any anxiety you have is unwarranted and will only cause you more issues. However, if you're really hoping for something to happen, there is also a good chance it's not going to, at least not yet. You need to be patient. This isn't a negative card per se, but it does suggest no change is coming as yet. Additional meanings for this card. Worrying achieves nothing. There is nothing to worry about. The time for action has passed. Allow events to unfold in their own time. Nothing will come out of this situation. About this symbol. Depending on whether you use the traditional or modern definition of the void of course moon, it takes place either every couple of days or just a couple of times a year. Either way, it is a time to do nothing as much as you possibly can. I really like what this is about. I like that there's additional meanings. I like that there's symbol information. I love that this is a deck that makes you sit with it and realize why this came up, as well as, you know, if you're wanting more of a daily pull, this is something to do before you meditate. Maybe this is something that you could meditate on. I really like this for a way to build upon your intuition, as well as you can use this as part of your daily practice. You can use it to help confirm information of what you're getting through your tarot reading for each day. But this is definitely not like a quick pull and forget about it. This is definitely sit with it and see what comes up intuitively. I like that there's room for your intuition to breathe here, and that you can look at this and take away different things each time you use the deck. So I am really excited about this. I think it's beautiful. The quality of the cards is great. I really like the messages here. I like that there's a mixture of, you know, very positive things to look upon. And when a card, something like this comes up, you think could be a negative card, it really isn't. So I like how that balance is there. The colors are beautiful. The cardstock is great. I love the guidebook. I'm here for it. I like the price tag too. $20, not a bad price tag for what you're getting, as well as the quality. So I would love to know your thoughts on this. Let me know all of your opinions, and if you're excited about it, or if this is something that you're going to pass upon, let me know down in the comment section below, and drop a moon of whatever phase you want emoji down as well to let me know you made it this far in the video. Thank you so much to Hay House again for the Card Deck Club subscription box. I am so excited that this came in it. Thank you so much to everyone for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.